Hey, what's up guys, it's Franklin Mano here, and in this video today, I am going to share with you guys how you can make $25 daily from typing online. Yes, this is actually one of those things that you've actually heard. It's something that most people have actually widely searched about. In short, when you go up on Google now and you type up, how to make money from typing online, you're going to see that people are actually searching for this particular keyword. And at the same time, people really want to know, people want to see, and they want to actually flow with sites that they can actually make money from just by typing. And there are several reasons why people actually want to jump on typing jobs, because it is actually one of those things that it's easy to do, but not so easy to do. But I would also say in the sense that it is something that you can do from anywhere in the world. And that is exactly why I'm up here with this video today, sharing with you guys those sites that would start paying you from typing online. But then guys, there are different levels to this thing, because there are sites that will just use you and then not even give you reward for your efforts and for the input you're making. But then there are also other sites that are actually more genuine, and they can actually pay you some substantial amount that can actually take care of your needs. But then nothing good comes easy. So I'm going to share with you guys this website, but before I do that, this on my screen right now is a proof showing you how much I received from this particular website. You can actually see here on my screen, this is my mail from PayPal. This is my mail from PayPal, and this is March 2022. You can see that New Age Digital Inc. Sent me $130, right? This is March 2022, and this is actually to show you that this is a very recent payment I got just by typing online. And I'll share with you guys these 7 sites that would help you to start achieving this same result. You type for them and you are able to get paid, right? You get paid. And the beauty here is you're typing from anywhere. You can actually stay right here at home and you're typing for these companies. Although there are several requirements from these companies in order for you to be able to join their team, and they can pay you. But the major thing here is if you're able to meet up with these requirements, you'll be able to get on all of these jobs. So I'm going to jump straight right now and start sharing with you guys this website right away. Now the very first site here is mtalk.com. This is actually Amazon Mechanical Turk, and the goal here is that people are able to drop tasks, and other people can actually take up on those tasks. And you can actually see here on the screen, mtalk is a crowdsourcing marketplace that makes it easier for individuals and businesses to outsource their processes and jobs to a distributed workforce, right? So it's just like a work site where people actually come in and place the works that actually want to be done, and others come up and take up on all of these tasks. And this is exactly where you can actually see several jobs beyond even typing jobs, but we are focused on typing jobs in this particular video today. So all you need to do is to go over and you sign up. Once you're able to sign up, you can actually go ahead and create your account. So once you are able to create your account, you'll be taken over to the further registration process. They get to review your account, and then you can see here it says we will email the Amazon account to sign into when we are connected with this review, and we are sure that you are available. Right, so this is actually the very first site. Now I'm going to move over to the second site right here, and this is rev.com. And rev.com is actually another site for freelancers, and this particular website right here allows you to take up on different jobs, especially typing jobs, and you can actually get paid for doing those things. So you can see here it says earn money transcribing, captioning, and subtitling from anywhere, anytime. Now you see what is available for you. You have a flexible work schedule. You can choose from hundreds of jobs, and you can actually get paid weekly, right? So you can receive weekly payouts via PayPal for all work completed. Rev is on time and dependable. Now there are several jobs here actually, but the major jobs that are here are jobs that involve you typing, right? There are jobs that involve you typing, and you can see here this is transcriptionist. This is where you listen to audio and video, and you accurately type what people are saying in those audio or video. So you listen to a song, or you listen to an audio file or a video, and all you need to do is to type out everything this person actually said in this particular video or audio file. Now, once you're able to do this, you can see you can actually get paid, $1 up to $1 per minute, all right, or per audio minute. Now, this other option here is where you can also be a captioner, where you watch a video and accurately type what is being said, and you get paid up to $1 for every video minute, right? This is another easy way you can start making money using rev.com, and this is the link right here. Now the next guy here is GoTranscript.com, and this is actually another transcription based site where all you need to do is to listen to audio files and video files, And for every minute you actually listen to this file and you're able to transcribe, you get paid, right? You get paid, and that is the cool thing here. So you can actually see that, it says here, you can actually earn up to 60 cents per audio or video minutes transcribed. And the average earnings per month of all of the people applied on this platform is $150 per month, and you can earn on a monthly basis up to $1,200. Right, so you can literally go through and see several options here. They have to take you through some various verification process, and just to make sure that you are genuine, you're real. And you can see several jobs available here, transcription jobs, and they will pay you. And you have flexible work hours. You can also grow your skills and choose the type of project you want to work with, and several other benefits on this particular platform. And at the same time, you can also transcribe in different languages. So if you actually feel like, you actually want to transcribe, but then one particular language is saturated, you can focus on transcribing to your own native language, depending on where you're from, right? You can focus on transcribing to your own native language. It could be Arabic, Chinese, Croatian, Czech, Danish, Dutch, Indian, and several other languages that are here on the website. Now, they have an FAQ section that you can actually go through, and you can get in more insights on what they do here. Now, the next site here is Freelancer.com. And Freelancer.com is actually, a freelance website. And on like every other freelance website, this is where, there are several jobs that you can actually come in as a freelancer and you take on. Now, the goal here is taking up on, typing jobs. And here on Freelancer.com, all you need to do is, someone has already posted a job, and then you're chosen a freelancer, which will be you, and they pay you safely for the job once it is done. Now, coming over here to freelancer.com, this is the set of jobs they have. One is the data entry job, and you can see here that you actually get paid to enter data. And here there are various jobs on this particular platform, and you can see it says, okay, hello, you can convert a PDF to document. It's 50 pages of content, and I also give you a sample of the first. And all out for this, the bid here is about $100 to $250 per hour. Right, this is actually a very good one. So you see this one too, says, I have a very simple job for you. Let's say it's as simple as filling the forms, grabbing the data, and putting it in an Excel sheet or Google sheet. Anyone can do it. Training will be provided, and look at all of the other perks around the job, and you're going to be getting $13. That's an average bid for this particular gig to be done. And then there are also several other gigs here within this particular category. Right, so data entry is actually part of typing jobs. So instead of you typing or transcribing, you can also focus on data entry jobs, and you get paid for that. Now, the next site here is dailytranscription.com, and this is actually another site that also allows you to transcribe different files, and you get paid. Right, so one of the beauty here is just it's just as simple as sitting down and watching a video. And with your earphones plugged in, you just type out everything that these people are saying, right? And the thing is, you get paid per minute. You get paid per minute of what you transcribe. So you transcribe on your own terms. You transcribe on your own time when you're available to do that. But then you still get paid for how long you are able to transcribe. So you see here, there's the flexibility. Assignments are paid weekly. We pay higher rates than our competitors. And they even listed our competitors, Rev, TranscribeMe, Transcription, and a whole lot more, right? So it says here, we don't guarantee a specific amount of work per day, but our top transcribers make anywhere from $350 to $950 per week, right? So you're going to be seeing that this is actually a very cool one when it comes to how much you can make for yourself per week on this website. And you can either be a transcriptionist, you can be a subtitler, or a bilingual transcriptionist, right? So they are looking for stay-at-home moms, dads, and students. You must be highly detailed individual and an independent worker, and you must be professional and novice. They also said professional, novice, and beginners are also welcome. But then scrolling down, guys, you can actually see that there's actually a caveat to people who can apply for this website. Say to apply, you must reside in the USA or Canada. Then we only consider candidates outside the USA or Canada for subtitling and captions and translations who are proficient in a second language. So if you are familiar with another language, right, another language that can be beneficial to this particular website and what they do for their clients, then you can also opt in and you'll be taken. So because I know people will actually see this and then they wouldn't want to sign up. No, that's not what they said here. If you are very good in another language, then you can also opt in and you can get paid for doing what you know how to do. Now, the next site I'm going to share with you guys right now is TranscribeMe.com. And this is also another transcription website. And you can see here, your audio and video files transcribed by humans for speed and accuracy, and get started at 79 cents per minute, right? You get paid 79 cents per minute here, and you can actually see every of the options and every of, the details you need around this particular company. So there's an AI data set. They have the enterprise recurring customized project. We have this transcription, and they also have data annotations, and then there's this translation option. So there are different things for you to actually do here, and this is actually very cool for someone who is very familiar in different languages. Maybe you know English, you know Chinese, you know Spanish, and a few other languages. You can actually go for translation jobs where you can translate words from one particular language to another language, and you get paid on this particular website, right? So another website here I'm going to share with you guys in this particular video today is Scrbie.com. Now this is also another audio and video transcription website, and here you get to be paid 10 cents per minute of audio you're able to transcribe. But here they have more of audio files than even video files, and I would say this particular website has a less strict process than other websites I've actually shown you guys in this particular video today. So you can see here, if it's going to be an automated file, you get paid this, but then for the manual you get paid up to 80 cents per minute. But here automated basically means that there's already an automation done on transcription, but all you need to do is just to read through the automated transcriber and then try and place the text properly, because sometimes these automated transcribers make mistake here and there, right? So you see the option where there's already an automation done, but then you can also just go in and correct it. And honestly, it's even easy to do because you can use something like Grammarly to correct the text here. You see, that's actually a very huge percent to you guys right now. You can use something like Grammarly and you're able to correct all of this text properly, and you can make money from this particular website. But then they have the option where you can go a full manual transcription flow, and you also get paid up to 80 cents per minute on this particular website. Now you can actually go on and flow through all of these websites, and you see which one would actually work for you, which one you can actually get started with, and which one will actually fetch you the cash you're looking for from the online space. So guys, this is it for this particular video. If you love this video, go down in the comment section below and tell me, yes Franklin, I love this video. Yes, it's gonna really spur me up to make more videos like this ones for you guys and share with you guys more opportunities. Alright, so make sure you don't forget to drop a comment down below, and then thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate the fact that I watched to the very end, and I will see you guys in my next video where I'll be sharing with you guys more insights on how you can actually make money online. With this guys, I will see you in my next video.